How to set up voicemail on an iPhone for the first time. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to set up voicemail on an iPhone for the first time. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are just getting started with your first iPhone or have switched cell service providers, you will need to set up voicemail on your phone. I will take you through the setup of first-time voicemail process and record a new voicemail message on your iPhone. So the first step is go ahead and open the phone application on your device. You will see the voicemail tab at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. You will now see a button labeled Set Up Now at the center of the screen. Tap on that to continue. When prompted, create a new passcode for your voicemail, then re-enter it. When finished, tap on the Done option. Now, tap Default to use the pre-recorded greeting or tap on the Custom option for a personalized greeting. You can also tap on Record to record your greeting. Now, tap on the Stop option when you are finished recording, and to listen to your greeting, tap on the Play button. And just in case if you don't like what you hear, just tap Record to try again. Once you are happy with the message, tap on the Save button. So, this is how you can set up voicemail on an iPhone for the first time. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.